In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to generate a Lil Uzi Vert type beat in Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to sunoai.com. Also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should bring something like this once you're logged into your account. From here, you'll need to go over to the menu and click Create. Then from here, you'll see the symbol and the custom feature. You'll also see up here that you can choose between all of these versions that Suno provides. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to use simple so we can get through this as quickly as possible. From here, I'll select the instrumental. And here I can upload either audio or a lyric if you want to do that. But now we'll need to enter a prompt to generate this Lil Uzi Vert type beat. And I have a bunch of different prompts that you can use and learn about how to use these prompts with my ebook down in the description below. So let's get straight into it. So let's create some dark psychedelic trap, some ominous synthesizers, some heavy distorted 808s. We want some rapid fire hi-hats. We'll also want some gothic atmosphere. It needs to be in minor key, aggressive, and about 140 beats per minute. From here, I'll need to click generate to generate two versions of this prompt. Suno will also generate the newest version of their AI, but you can just ignore this if you don't have the premium feature. From here, you can see down here that they have been generated and you can listen to it and they're gonna sound like something like this. And now for the next one. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!